This tutorial will help you on how to buy crypto on the Coinbase desktop.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
On your search engine or browser device, type in Coinbase desktop. As you might see, you might need to download Coinbase, or you can directly go on their website, coinbase.com. Once coinbase.com has been opened up and loaded, go to the top left hand screen and click home, and then go to the top right hand screen, and you can even search for a crypto under here that you would like to purchase or buy. Click on the cryptocurrency. You can even view the historical chart, or you can go to the top right hand screen and click the first option, buy. You can even change this to the type of order that you would like, and then underneath you can pay with a different type, whether you have cash or different options. You can even choose to pay with the crypto or cryptocurrency of your choice, or you can even add a payment method completely for free in Coinbase desktop.